has given birth to so many terminologies, and as a student, I know very clearly that there was one term, sparks in data structure.
Could you keep the microphone closer?
Then there was some explanation, but it was never found how that word evolved. Only thing is how we adopted that word, spark. How we adopted? Smart programmers are required to know sparks. Similarly, this cloud computing. I don't know what this new term actually means, because we have been using cloud computing as we have known today. Few days back there was a summit of
Could you be
Microsoft
specific
also.
on the concern that you have on the cloud?
Concern is कि basic fundamental concern is this is going to happen, but this is going to happen on network. And is it possible to maintain network efficiency to get cloud computing working in social environment?
Thanks a lot. Any other concerns? Yeah, please. Yeah, please use the microphone.
Then after 5 years, when the contract will over, they will have nothing. I mean, nothing in the case like if they are offering RFP, hardware, software, they will at the end of 5 years they will having some hardware, some software. But when they are going to cloud computing, they don't have anything after 5 years. So this is the main dilemma which we can't satisfy with the government official. How to take it?
Any other concerns? Yeah, please. Would request you to mention your name and organization and just be brief on the concern that you have.
This is Karan Bajwa. Karan Bajwa from Punjab Infotech again. My only, it is not really a concern, but it is just a modification. When we are talking about this government virtualization and the various concerns which have been brought out, like standardization, security, and utility and service. I only have this point that let us little widen the scope of this term. Let's call it as e-governance realization through virtualization in unison. You see, when I bring the point in unison is, like the fear has been just, someone brought it out. Like when we ask for any particular service and the government department goes for that, in a particular department there is a person with the A type of technology background. In second department there is a person with the B type of technology background. And over and above, when the people go for this like overall invitation of bids, they get the proposals, and we finally find that all our IT service provider, all our ITS solution implementers, but suddenly we find that one solution implementer, he will give a code for the same type of service, which will be 4 times than the second SI, which will be also quoting for the same type of service. Now this particular issue neither has been analyzed nor addressed by the IT players, that what is so different. I just will give you one example. You see the various IT platforms which are coming up. I am just taking an example of date format. Some of the people, they will ask the date format should be month, then the day and the year. Other person will say, no, it should be date, followed by month, then by year. Some will put, no, it should be year, followed by date, followed by month. And even the IT Act 2000, or when we're talking about IT Act revision in the 2008, I'm sorry to say that even these small issues have not been uniform. So this particular issue I will put to the IT companies, that in case this unison or the uniformity can be brought out when they are providing solutions, I think most of our problems got resolved. I will just stop this one here. By the second point is, when we were started, we were talking about the ICT.
I'd like you to focus only on the cloud, concerns about the cloud.
I'm coming to that because ICT that we started with, the information and communication technology. Slowly and slowly the word C has disappeared and we are only proceeding with the IT.